1974 Pontiac Trans Am Sport Coupe here at Unique, especially in classics. Yes, true Trans Am, which you can confirm by the VIN and the data plate in this one. It does have a 455 underneath the hood. As you can see, original 400 car. It's paired up with an automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, a little imperfection in the front cone. Take a look at that front fascia. Bumper, grille, headlight surrounds. This car will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That is included in the purchase price. That may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And you can call in at 507-386-1726. Check out all the pictures of this car online on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. As you can see, riding on the Krager SS chrome wheels. Has had a repaint to this. I'd say it's very similar, like a dark blue metallic. Take a look down the passenger side. It does have a few little chips where you always see them in that rear wheel well spoiler. It does have the aluminum louvers on the rear of this car. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. We'll get around to the driver's side, start this up for you, let you hear it run. Let's take a look at the rear of the car. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can see the still pictures. You'll see the underside, engine bay, interior trunk. And remember, we have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. If you can't make it yourself, maybe due to distance or time restraints, we don't have a problem with third-party inspectors at all. Try to represent these cars, obviously, as fairly as we can with all the pictures that are taken and the videos that are done. Will be the driving video where you can actually kind of get a bird's eye view of what it would be like going down the road in this car. It's a black vinyl interior. That would be the original color of the interior of this car. It was a black interior car. As you can see, the seats were pretty much free of any real rips, tears, or holes. Center console, of course, power window switches you also see there. Tilt column. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. 63,691 is what the odometer reads. According to previous owners, passing information between each other, believed to be original miles. I can't confirm or deny because it doesn't stay in the title once the vehicle becomes a certain age. All right, let's fire this up so you can hear it run. Here's the tack is working. Did have the wipers working and aftermarket radio here. Factory AC car does not retain all of the AC components anymore. Ready to listen to that 455. A little rumble coming out of that dual exhaust setup. This will take me 2 hands to get the hood open. Give me a second. Check out that engine bay and we'll wrap this walk around up. There's a look underneath the hood. There it is. Again, original 400 car, 455 in it now. Power steering, power brakes. 1974 Pontiac Trans Am Sport Coupe. It's going to come with that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. May be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate. You can do that at 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you see all the pictures. Check out our website. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we're driving a 1974 Pontiac Trans Am in a very unique kind of a blue, very good blue. Black interior. This is an automatic on the center console. Very good acceleration in this car. Awesome exhaust sound as well. Just that idle sound is very nice. Our factory tachometer is working. Speedometer working as well. The oil pressure is showing about 70, maybe 65. Water temperature about 190. Volts are about 14, and fuel is at 3/4 of a tank. Our windshield wipers are working. Sony aftermarket radio is also working well. If I let go of the steering wheel, this car stays perfectly straight in the lane. Great power steering, easy to drive car. Factory looking bucket seats, very comfortable. Power windows. Brakes are working well. There is an 8-track player that looks period correct under the dash. Not sure if that works. Good handling car, corners well. Very fun to drive. 1974 Pontiac Trans Am. Check it out at UniqueClassicCars.com.